Hello and welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video of very beautiful ring designs, and you guys can see that these ring designs are looking very beautiful, very pretty, and you guys can avail this type of rings from your near market, from online websites, and these rings are looking very unique, very gorgeous. And if you want more videos of this type of rings and this other jewelries, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos, so you guys can get update from about my channel, about my videos. And you guys can easily get this rings from market, and you guys can see that these rings are looking very pretty and very gorgeous. And you guys can also avail these rings for your events like parties and other functions. So hope so you like this video and subscribe my channel. So take care. Allah Hafiz. We met in another video. Allah Hafiz.